We're embarking on a motorcycle camping adventure from Goulburn to Safala, over 230 kilometres of windy roads through scenic hills.
Yeah, so she's getting a bit wet, bit of rain coming up.
Things started off pretty smoothly, but then...
What's the significance of a tree with boots?
And then I rode into a storm, but luckily I was prepared. And then the heavens opened up and my next stop was Mount Panorama for a quick lap. It's a legendary track in Australian motorsport. And after a long day of riding, I found the perfect spot